Welcome back to our channel. The Lamborghini Urus VENATUS by Mansory is not just an SUV, it's a bold statement. Built on the already powerful Lamborghini Urus, Mansory transforms it into an ultra-aggressive, high-performance beast that pushes the limits of design and engineering. This wild super SUV is designed for those who want extreme power, insane styling, and unmatched exclusivity. Insane performance upgrades. Mansory doesn't just tweak the Urus, so they completely re-engineer it. Engine, 4.0 liters twin-turbo V8 power, up to 810 horsepower, from 650 horsepower stock. Urus inverted question mark 1/2 Mansory torque, 1000 Newton meters. Urus inverted question mark 1/2 Mansory 0 a 100 kilometers per hour, 3.3 seconds. Urus inverted question mark 1/2 Mansory top speed, 320 kilometers per hour. Urus inverted question mark 1/2 Mansory. Some newer Venatus variants go even further, reaching 900 plus HP and 2.9 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour. Urus inverted question mark 1/2 Mansory. In simple terms, this SUV performs like a supercar, if not faster. In aggressive exterior design, the Venatus is instantly recognizable thanks to its extreme styling, full carbon fiber widebody kit, massive air intakes and vents, giant rear wing for downforce, 24-inch forged wheels, signature neon accents and custom paint. The design is intentionally loud and controversial. You either love it or hate it. Negation. Car community reactions, from Reddit: "Hey boss, how many wings and exhaust pipes?" Yes, Urus inverted question mark 1/2 Reddit. You can't tell if this is real or a troll post. Urus inverted question mark 1/2 Reddit. Clearly, Mansory doesn't build cars to blend in. Urus is still a luxury interior, fully customized inside. The Venatus is just as wild. Full leather interior with custom color themes, carbon fiber trim throughout, neon accent stitching and details, handcrafted finishes and bespoke options. Everything is tailored to the owner, making each Venatus one of a kind. Section. What makes Venatus special? Combines supercar performance plus SUV practicality, extreme customization. No two cars are identical. Limited production, ultra exclusive, built for attention, not subtlety. The Lamborghini Urus VENATUS by Mansory is not for every ear, and that's the point. It's louder, faster, wilder than almost anything else on the road. If the standard Urus is a super SUV, the Venatus is a supervillain version of it. Would you drive this insane Mansory Venatus a broken bar, or is it just too much? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crazy cars. If you want, I can also Urus inverted question mark 1/2 turn this into a full voiceover script with cinematic intro, hooks, and timestamps for YouTube.